I just thought, wow, just wow. I can't wait to ride here, roller coasters here, and ride here the next couple of days. But other than that, let's go on Nickelodeon Street and I'll share my thoughts on it. So, we have done Nickelodeon Street. I thought that was actually a really good coaster. Just generally quite a good one. And we also did Blue Flyer. Obviously it wasn't the most intense of coasters because it's a very junior coaster, but other than that, overall just a good ride. But next, I don't quite know where we're heading. So, Shane, Jane, Josh just been on Revolution. They said it was very good.
Excellent, in fact.
But now I'm not sure quite where we're going, but there'll be some more footage put in of this ride, and we'll see where we end up next.
Better off where the neighbors don't stay. Baby, you're wanted. Looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you're never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a when I started working at the dime. Serves as a reminder to count your blessings, 'cause it's tally fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth, how they come back for you.
So we've just been at Icon, and welcome to my new #1. It is incredible. The way it twists and turns keeps so much momentum. All the elements feel really forceful, and it's just so comfy. Anyway, enough of me talking about Icon. We're not sure where we're going to go next, but we're going to go to a dark ride or some sort of non-roller coaster ride.
To count your blessings, 'cause it's tally fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth, how they come back for you. Yeah, let's go. It's the missed opportunity train, it only comes out.
Me and Josh has been on Airbender, and I thought it's actually quite good. A little bit brushing on the old ribs, but SpongeBob is now walking around. I don't ask why, but he is. We've just been on Wallace and Gromit the ride, and that is honestly probably my favourite dark ride in the country now. A little bit of thrill to it. It was just it covers the story so well. And next, we're off to go and get a hot dog and do a hot dog review. I just bought a hot dog from the hot stand just over there, and I have to say, this is an incredible hot dog. Lovely sausage, rolls nice and moist, light and fluffy. Really good hot dog, so out of 10 I rate it 9 out of 10. Now, I
Enjoy.
Think twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight, that reality castle. There's no point to being careful. Learn the rules of the game before you lose your mental. Pretty Caroline, the stone cold stunner. She was a when I started working at the dime.
So we've just been off Big Dipper. It was quite good, quite thrilling, but honestly I feel like I've just been beaten to death with that rough, so be prepared, it is quite rough, but anyway, onwards and upwards.
To count your blessings, 'cause this town ain't fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the ugly truth, how they come back for you.
Just been on Avalanche, it was really good actually. It was pretty short, but it was really fast, and as some guys I thought we're going to fall off the dark, obviously you can't, but anyway, next we are going on the big one. coat or something. But say hello to my new number 2. Now these guys think it was quite rough, but I thought that was so smooth. And that is our new number 2, ranking just and only just below Icon. Let's go and get a cold drink. We've just been on Icon, for a second time today, and it's got even faster this morning. When I said that is my favourite ride, it's just got 10 times better. So fast. In fact, we went on the front. I thought, oh yeah, it's like because we went towards the back last time. I thought, yeah, that was quite quick. On the front, even on the front, now it's warmed up. It is incredibly quick. But anyway, next we are off to steeplechase. Really good ride, really good fun. I'm not sure what we're doing next, but
I got a clue.
I'm gonna go on the big one again. Let's do it. So we've just been on the big one for the second time, and it was a little bit further back this time, and it was silky smooth. These guys think it was fast, but I don't see how they thought it was. A little bit jolty and maybe it was turnaround section, but silky smooth always. But anyway, we're now going to finish our day here at Blackpool, so make sure you like as it helps the channel out. If not, subscribe, notifications on so you know when the latest fun day trips are, videos are. And if you want to say hi or have a query or want to make a suggestion, just post it down in the comment section. And I will see you at the room tour, in fact, just in a minute.
Silky smooth. Just been beaten up by Anthony Joshua.